If you want to make videos with your iPhone, then these 9 iPhone filming tips from MKBHD should make the whole process much simpler. Tip number 1 is that your words are much more important than your production value. In his new channel Autofocus, MKBHD films the whole video on his iPhone.
So I'm shooting this right now on the iPhone 13 Pro in ProRes.
And you can still clearly hear the wind noise for a few seconds.
People want to start a YouTube channel in 2022. I keep saying, just use your smartphone camera. You already have it.
But MKBHD's voice is still easy to understand, and there's no noticeable drop in how many people are watching, so maybe a bit of wind noise isn't as bad as I thought it was. Tip number 2 is it's okay for your voice to change when you move to a different location. It normally drives me nuts if I film part of a video inside and part of a video outside. Say that bit outside, okay? Oh, sorry, and part of the video outside. Then your voice sounds different due to the different acoustic properties of the room. But MKBHD had that effect happen when he filmed part of the video inside the car.
It would be nice if it was actually holding the phone in place. Does it sound like I'm complaining? I've said a lot of suggestions in a row.
And nobody complained in the comments. So perhaps it's time for me to let go of that obsession. Tip number 3 is you don't need any of the fancy gear. Just hold your phone and get started. You can see MKBHD's reflection in this part of the video, and he doesn't have any fancy tripods, no additional microphones. He's just holding his phone and he's talking about the car, and that's working well. So it seems that all you need is an iPhone. Tip number 4 is it's okay to go off script. This comment about the selfie stick.
Oh hey, the boys are testing a huge selfie stick camera on the top of this rig. But while we're at this is actually one of the things that I like.
Well, that comment clearly wasn't planned, but he kept it in, and it adds a bit of humour which wouldn't have been there otherwise. Tip number 5 is to acknowledge your audience feedback.
And thanks for the comments on how to improve the quality. I'm in a less windy place, but we'll work on that.
Here, MKBHD acknowledges some of the comments that viewers had left in previous videos, so that way they feel heard and it helps to build rapport with your viewers. Tip number 6 is you don't always have to have fast-paced videos. Sometimes it's okay to sit back and slow down and knock your tripod in front of your camera. Sometimes it's okay to slow down. Look at this part of the video.
Let's see what the window situation is. You can see dual pane glass, if I can get it in focus. But
I would have edited out that part and jumped to the part where it's already focused. But MKBHD left it in and no one's complaining. Tip number 7 is you can get cool shots with a bit of creativity. You can get a smooth panning shot like this by resting your elbow on your knee as you're moving the phone, keeping it nice and steady. And by utilising naturally light and dark times, this car looks pretty impressive. Tip number 8 is that you don't need to scrap the video just because you made a mistake. Here, MKBHD says the wrong size for the wheel.
Pretty large wheels too. What are these, 21s? But then there's a couple.
But he didn't reshoot it. He just popped in some text with the correct size, and that's all you need to do to fix the problem. Making a mistake is not an excuse to scrap the video. Before we get to tip number 9, I make lots of videos about how to film with your iPhone, including this 5-minute summary of everything that you need to know. Now for the final tip. Tip number 9 is to use the zoom presets. In this video, MKBHD quickly changes the zoom settings of the camera by just pressing these buttons here. So you can easily jump between your normal shot or a wide shot or an extra zoomed in shot. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.